Good morning, guys. How are you today? Can you believe it's been almost 2 months since we raised this flower bed, and I had wanted to plant in it, but we had a really long hot summer. It actually, I think it's going to be in the 80s a little bit this week, and then finally, I think Thursday or Friday, it's supposed to drop off into the 60s, and then from there on out, fingers crossed, no more hot weather. Last night I came in and amended the soil with, I had half a bag of Recipe 420. This is potting soil. I put that in there, and I also put this in there, just so if you wanted to take a look at it. Both these products are from EB Stone. So I went ahead and did that last night. The only thing I have left to do is to put biotone in before I plant the vegetable starts and seeds. The seeds I'm going to plant are Oregon sugar pod, white Lisbon onion, and spinach. These are, see if I can see it without my glasses, Texas early onions, cabbage, red cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli. This is a salad bistro blend. This is a red leaf lettuce, and then this is a red riding hood, like a butter leaf. This is like a butter leaf lettuce. So we'll do a close-up on them when I get them all planted in. I'm gonna purchase for the sugar pod peas from Garden Supply. I'll put a picture up. A 58-inch wire A-frame trellis. It says you don't need to stake them, but they grow 30 inches, so I think I'm going to stake them anyway. We'll see. I'm going to change the drip tubing to this 1/4 inch brown drip tubing that has emitters every 6 inches. And I've had really good luck with using that this year. I've tried to incorporate this in different areas of my house and my mom's garden as well. So I'm going to give it a try. I don't have the port for it, so I'm going to have to run down to the hardware store and pick one up before I finish laying this out. But this is the one thing that I am doing different as far as watering the garden this year. And hopefully if I'm successful in the way it waters, I'll do the same thing in both of these come spring. So I'm going to clear the decks, get the biotone in, and start planting. I don't know what I was thinking, that I thought I could get the broccoli, the cabbage, and the cauliflower in here. So we're putting it in this one because it needs about 12 to 18 inches per plant on spacing. So I have 6, I'll only be able to do 5, and that's okay. I'm thinking I might sneak one in the front flower bed somewhere as a surprise. And also the Texas early onions I'm going to put over in the corner. They're a sweet onion. They're kind of similar to a Vidalia onion. So I have enough space to put those in the corner. And I already put biotone in. I'm ready to get planting. wanted to go over the plants one more time. In this bed, we landed up using the existing water line system. I'll have to run a few more lines to get to the Texas onions there at the very end. I don't know if the camera picks up on that, but right here in the front, closest to me, is the red cabbage. In the middle is the broccoli, and then on the far end is the cauliflower. And I don't know if you can tell, I picked a few peppers while I was out here. This is like a butter lettuce. This is called red sails. This is a bistro blend. Then I ran spinach, onions, and sugar peas. Fingers crossed, if we have enough time, we're going to get out to Granger and pick up some landscape fabric. We finally came to the decision that we're going to go ahead and lay gravel here, and I want to get the DeWitt Pro. I think you can order it through Amazon, but we have Granger here in town and they carry it as well. So if I have enough time, I'm going to get down there and get that, so maybe later on in the week we can pick up some gravel and get that laid. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.